it both two ways. You can say tinnitus or tinnitus.
Mm-hmm.
Either way is correct.
Mm-hmm.
So tinnitus means ringing.
Mm-hmm.
Some people describe it as crickets.
Mm-hmm.
Some people describe it as buzzing.
Mm-hmm.
The most common reason that people have tinnitus or tinnitus, or the ringing, is because they've got some hearing loss.
Mm-hmm.
So your brain is designed to get hearing input from your ears. When it doesn't get it, it makes up its own sound. That's what the tinnitus is. So it tends to bother people more when it's quiet. So when you're trying to go to sleep at night, is when it typically bothers people the most.